Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, turn the ignition off, remove the key, and disconnect the negative battery lead so you do not short anything while working. Next, remove the seat and the small undertrim panels with a Phillips and an 8mm socket. Doing this exposes the instrument cluster fasteners. Once you see the cluster screws and the wiring harness, you can begin loosening fasteners. This gives access to the gauge housing where the bulb or LED module sits, which is why you open the panels first. You now remove the cluster, unscrew the fasteners and slide it forward a few centimeters so you can unclip the multi-pin connector. Do this by releasing the latch, not by pulling the wires. Once free, open the cluster back cover to reveal the gauge light socket or LED board. Inspect whether it is an incandescent bulb or an LED assembly because the replacement differs. Replace with a matching bulb or LED module, secure the holder, and reconnect the connector briefly to confirm. You finish by reattaching the instrument cluster, tightening screws snugly, do not over-torque, and reconnecting the negative battery lead. Turn the ignition on and check the gauge illumination. Test at dusk or cover headlights to evaluate brightness. If the light is dim or flickers, make sure the bulb is seated properly and the connector is clean because poor contact causes flicker. If replacement did not help, inspect wiring continuity and the fuse. Replacing a corroded harness connector usually restores power and fixes persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.